Hey everyone! Welcome back to the YN Tech Global Technology channel. We spend a ton of time in the digital world, often searching for something, whether it's the latest tech news, an obscure fact, or just figuring out what to eat tonight. What if I told you there's a way to make your searches crazy specific, lightning fast, and way more effective? Today, I'm breaking down Google search operators. We're talking about unlocking a whole new level of search mastery, finding exactly what you need in seconds. So, if you're ready to become a Google search ninja, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break down what these Google search operators actually are. Imagine them as secret codes, shortcuts, or even cheat codes for Google. They're special commands, characters, and words that you can add to your searches to tell Google exactly what you're looking for. They make a world of difference. When you type a normal search into Google, you're casting a wide net, hoping Google's algorithm understands what you mean. But with search operators, you're taking control. You're becoming the director of your search results, telling Google, I need this specific thing and I need it now. These operators are incredibly powerful. You can filter your results by website, file type, date range, and more. Find exact phrases, exclude specific terms, even uncover hidden content. Whether you're a student, marketer, or just someone who values their time, these operators are about to change your life. Get ready to level up your search game because we're about to dive into the first operator. First up, let's talk about quotation marks, the unsung heroes of precise searching. When you're looking for something super specific, like a song lyric, a quote, or a particular product name, quotation marks are your new best friend. When you put a phrase in quotation marks, Google knows you're looking for those exact words in that exact order. Let's say you're searching for information on digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Without quotation marks, Google might show you results about digital marketing in general, strategies for large businesses, or just the definition of small business. But when you put that entire phrase in quotes, Google locks in and delivers laser-focused results. This is incredibly useful for finding song lyrics, specific quotes, or product names. No more sifting through pages of irrelevant results. Quotation marks give you pinpoint accuracy, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. It's like going from a magnifying glass to a high-powered microscope. Just slap those quotation marks around your phrase, hit enter, and watch Google work its magic. Let's say you're searching for something, but you keep getting bombarded with results that are close but not quite what you need. That's where our next Google search operator comes in, the minus sign. Think of it as your secret weapon for eliminating unwanted search results. You're trying to find a recipe for apple pie, but every other result includes cinnamon, and you can't stand cinnamon. Simply add a minus sign before the word cinnamon in your search. Google knows to exclude any results that mention cinnamon. This is incredibly powerful for narrowing down your search and getting rid of irrelevant results. Searching for information on electric cars but want to exclude Tesla? Type in electric cars, Tesla. You can use the minus sign to exclude specific websites, file types, or entire phrases. It's like having a magic eraser for your search results, giving you complete control over what you see. Just add that minus sign before the term you want to exclude, and voila! You've just become a search ninja. Now, let's say you're trying to find something specific on a particular website, but you don't want to waste time clicking through endless pages and menus. Google's got you covered with the cite operator. This one's a game changer, especially if you're doing research or trying to find something on a website with a ton of content. The cite operator lets you restrict your search to a specific website. Looking for an article about artificial intelligence on the YN Tech Global Technology website? Type artificial intelligence site-intech.com into Google. Google will show you all the results for pages on our website that mention artificial intelligence. No more endless scrolling or getting lost in a website's navigation. This operator is incredibly powerful for researchers, journalists, or anyone who needs to find specific information on a particular website. It's like having a personal search engine for your favorite sites. Sometimes you don't know the exact phrase you're looking for, or maybe you want to leave your options open. That's where the asterisk comes in handy. It's like the wildcard in a deck of cards, representing any possible term. Looking for a recipe, but can't decide between apple pie, blueberry pie, or pumpkin pie? Use the asterisk. Type in asterisk pie recipe, and Google will show you results for all kinds of pie recipes regardless of the filling. The asterisk is incredibly useful for finding variations of a phrase, filling in the blanks, or discovering new possibilities. Use it to find song lyrics, quotes, or product names when you don't remember the exact wording. It's like having a built-in thesaurus for your searches. Ever stumble upon a website you absolutely love and wish you could find more just like it? Use the related operator. This little gem is like a website matchmaker. A fan of TechCrunch and want to discover other websites covering similar topics? Type related-techcrunch.com into Google. You'll be presented with a list of websites that Google deems similar in content and style. This is incredibly powerful for expanding your online horizons and discovering new resources. We've all been there. You need a specific document like a PDF template, a research paper, or a presentation slide deck, but sifting through countless web pages feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Say goodbye to search frustration and hello to the file type operator. Want to find only PDF documents about social media marketing? Type social media marketing file type PDF into Google. Need a PowerPoint presentation on renewable energy? Renewable energy file type PPT is your go-to search. The file type operator supports a wide range of document types, including PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, and more. It's like having a virtual filing cabinet for the entire internet. Sometimes you need to broaden your search, exploring multiple possibilities at once. That's where the OR operator comes in, acting like a bridge connecting different search terms. It's like having two searches in one. Looking for information on content marketing and social media marketing? Use the OR operator. Type content marketing or social media marketing into Google, and you'll get results that include either or both of those terms. This is incredibly useful for brainstorming ideas, comparing different concepts, or casting a wider net. Ever notice how the title of a web page often gives you the best clue about its content? The in-title operator lets you leverage that by focusing your search on those all-important page titles. Looking for blog posts about photography tips? Use the in-title operator. Type in-title photography tips into Google, and you'll be presented with a list of web pages that have those exact words in their titles. This operator is incredibly useful for finding specific resources, articles, or web pages. It's like going straight to the table of contents. Ever wanted to see an older version of a web page, maybe one that's been updated or taken down? The cache operator acts like a time machine for the internet. Google constantly takes snapshots of web pages, storing them in its cache. The cache operator lets you access those snapshots. Looking for information that was on a website a week ago, but the page has since been updated? Type cache-websitename.com into Google. You'll be taken to Google's cached version of the page. This is incredibly useful for research, tracking changes on a website, or satisfying your curiosity about how a web page has evolved. It's like having access to a digital archive of the internet. And there you have it! With Google search operators, you can become a search engine pro, saving time and finding exactly what you need. We've covered a lot of ground today, from basic operators like quotation marks and the minus sign to more advanced techniques like the cite and cache operators. Remember, these are just a few of the many Google search operators available. The more you use them, the more proficient you'll become. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to YN Tech Global Technology, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. We've got a ton of other videos on tech tips, tutorials, and reviews, so be sure to check those out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.